1 cup of ginger tea every day benefits. Please subscribe Asath Harigiri Shri Shiva Site Hargal and click bell button. Ginger is a food item that helps in enhancing the taste of food in cooking. There is a lot of medicinal properties in this ging. It is better to drink tea and drink it too. This has a lot of antioxidants, which leads to older ones. More than drinking it with milk, tap in boiling water, boil honey and mint, and avoid various health problems. So drink a cup of ginger tea without forgetting every day. Stomach problems, If the stomach is sweet and food digestible, then a cup of ginger tea will take care of the health of the digestive tract, the bloating, stomach pain, digestive problems. Breathing problems, When the season changes, you may have problems like cold and cough. If a cup of ginger tea is drinking, if there are any germs in the respiratory tract, they will leave the breathing problems. It is good to drink ginger tea, especially those with asthma. Joint problems, Those who have injuries inside the joint pain and the joints and ginger tea will recall the joint problems with the medications in it. Menstrual problems, Those who suffer from stomach pain during menstrual periods may be diagnosed with gingivitis and stomach pain. Improve blood flow, Ginger tea is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and amino acids that prevent blood clotting, improve blood circulation in the body and prevent heart disease. Increases immune system, Antioxidant in ginger tea increases the immune system, reducing cholesterol levels. Also in the ginger arteries prevent the fats from breaking up and prevent the stroke. Reduced stress, When under stress, drink a cup of ginger tea. This will reduce depression and get immediate freshness,